Welcome to the 2016 GSNEO Magazine and Snack Program. This webinar will cover how to enter girl orders. You will enter the girls' snack and paper magazine orders, enter the payments for the girl magazine orders, and submit your order. Please remember, all troop orders must be submitted by 11:59 p.m. on October 11th. To begin, you will go to ashtonfarmsnutty.com and log in with the name and password provided in your troop manual. This will bring you to your home screen. If you've not set up your troop information, please follow the information on page 10 of the manual. To do girl orders, click on the Girl Orders tab. You should see all of the girls in your troop already uploaded. Troop leaders do not have the ability to add names. If you are missing girls or something is incorrect, please contact the product sales department as soon as possible. If the girl's name is not listed, you will not be able to enter her order. If you need assistance after hours on the 11th, please contact the product sale hotline at 440-670-7544. The girl's registered number should also reflect the number of girls you have listed. This should be the total number of girls registered to your troop, regardless of if they are selling or not. Some of the girls may have a pencil to the left if they've already had online sales and they've downloaded from the QSP system. If it's a pencil or the green X, select the first girl that you would like to enter an order for. This will open up her sales, and you enter the number of paper magazine subscriptions she has. This is not the number of forms, this is the total number of orders, remembering there can be up to 3 on one page. And then the total dollars sold. Online subscriptions and dollars will automatically flow from the QSP system. If she has completed a reach out booklet with at least 5 valid addresses, no duplicates, you can enter a 1. Total emails sent on the QSP will also flow automatically, as well as online nuts and dollars sold. Then you begin with the items on the order card. Everything listed is in the same order as the order card, and you simply enter the quantity total she has and tab to the next item. If an item is 0, make sure you leave it as 0 and skip to the next item so that you stay lined up correctly with the amount of items that she has on her order. The thank you nuts and the thank you voucher are the last 2 items on the order card. These are the care to share items. You will not receive these items with your order. They were part of the council virtual order to go to our care to share recipients. Once everything is entered, you have a save button on the right or a save button on the left, and this will open up the rewards section. All of the recognitions automatically populate except for the size of the hoodie at the $1,000 level. She may not have enough nut items to qualify, but you have no idea how her online sales are going to accomplish, so you need to choose a size for her if you know it. It will default to the adult small if no choice is made. Select Save. Again, there's one on the right or on the left, and it would confirm that you'd like to save this girl's order. Select Yes, and it will bring you back to your main order screen. She will now have a pencil that if you do need to edit her order, you can click on that. It will open it up, and you can make additions to her nut items, or if she brings in an additional magazine. When her order is complete, select the next girl and continue. The Girl Payment button is used to enter the money you've currently received for any paper magazine orders. You would add to payment. The total is the total amount of her sales, including the nuts, but the payment amount for the paper magazine orders is what the parent should have paid you now. And the date paid. and hit Update. This girl still owes $287 from her nut items, but her magazines are paid in full. When you've entered all the payments, simply use the X to close this box. When you have entered all of your nut orders and magazine payments, you need to submit the order to Council. This must be done by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday, October 11th. When you hit Submit Order, it will confirm that you want to submit the entire order. Select OK. And now the Submit button is grayed out, and you will not be able to make additions to her nut items. If she does get additional paper magazine orders, that can be adjusted, but it will not count until the girl's order is received at the Council office. The next step is the yellow 2016 Troop Order envelope. Complete the top section. Enter the total number of reach-out booklets received, and enter the total number of magazine forms received. Both the white and the yellow copy are enclosed. The pink copy stayed with the customer. There is no reason for a troop to have a copy. Please double-check both the reach-out booklets and the magazine forms to make sure they have complete, valid addresses, including zip code. Check that you understand the troop funds must be available in the bank account by November 21st, and sign the envelope. Please do not include any money or girl order cards. This envelope must be received by your service unit or a council office by October 14th. We will need to process them promptly to turn them into QSP so that your customer orders can start as soon as possible. Order entry is complete if you've entered each girl's snack order from her order card, entered each girl's paper magazine orders, entered the size for the burnout hoodie if applicable, entered payments received for the paper magazine orders, selected the pink Submit button, and completed your pink troop envelope with the magazine forms and reach-out booklets. You will need to turn those into your service unit manager or council office by October 14th. No further action is needed in Nutty until it is time to review the girl online orders and enter snack payments. However, please check your message screen on their home tab of Nutty for your service unit snack pickup information. Service units receive their shipments October 27th, 28th, or 29th, depending on the service unit. Please review the training video on snack order pickup if you need assistance. If you still have questions about entering your order in Nutty, please contact your business services coordinator. During business hours, call 1-800-852-4474 and ask for the product sales department. You may email thinmints@gsneo.org and a staff member will reply. You may also call the product sales hotline at 440-670-7544. Thank you for participating in the 2016 Magazine and Snack Program.